Today we will discuss about neoplasia. First class is about my classification and definition of neoplasia, then gross and microscopy, then we will discuss benign and malignant tumor differences. Then neoplasia. What is the meaning of neoplasia? Neoplasia meaning is any new growth. This is old and incomplete definition. Nowadays we use new definition. What is the new definition? A neoplasia can be defined as a disorder of cell growth that is triggered by a series of acquired mutation affecting a single cell and its clonal progeny. What's the meaning of this? Mutations. Any growth which is resulting of mutations is called neoplasm. Without mutation there is no neoplasm. Okay. This is the colonic polyp, and adenomatous glandular polyp is projecting into the colonic lumen. We can easily identify. Right hand side we can see gross structure and left microscopy. Now malignant tumors. Malignant tumors are collectively referred to as cancer. This cancer word is derived from word crab. Malignant tumor can invade and destroy adjacent structure and spread to distant site. It is called metastasis and causing death. What is the meaning? Invasion and metastasis is the feature of malignant tumor. Now nomenclature. For malignant tumor arising in solid mesenchymal tissue are usually called sarcoma, like fibrosarcoma, chondrosarcoma, leiomyosarcoma and leptomyosarcoma. Whereas those arising from blood forming cells are designated leukemia or lymphoma. Now malignant neoplasm of epithelial cell origin derived from any of the three germ layers are called carcinoma. Cancer arising in the ectodermally derived epidermis, the mesodermally derived renal tubules and the endodermally derived lining of the gastrointestinal tract are all termed carcinoma. Whether this is endodermal, mesodermal or ectodermal, all will be called as carcinoma. Example are squamous cell carcinoma. Squamous cell carcinoma denote a cancer in which the tumor cell resemble stratified squamous epithelium, and adenocarcinoma denote a lesion in which the neoplastic epithelial cells grow in a glandular pattern. A cancer is composed of cells of unknown tissue origin and must be designated as an undifferentiated malignant tumor. Now few mixed tumor. Example of mixed tumor are pleomorphic adenoma, mixed tumor of salivary gland. Both component, epithelial and myoepithelial component are present, but the origin is single clone. Teratoma. In teratoma, more than one germ layer tissue are present. Malignant. Few malignant tumor are lymphoma, melanoma, mesothelioma and seminoma. All having oma as a suffix, but all are exception of nomenclature of benign tumor. These are malignant. Lymphoma, melanoma, mesothelioma and seminoma are malignant. Now we can see the few examples like fibroma. Benign tumor is fibroma and malignant counterpart is fibrosarcoma. Lipoma benign and malignant liposarcoma. Chondroma is benign, chondrosarcoma is malignant. Osteoma is benign or osteogenic sarcoma is malignant. Like this tumor of smooth muscle leiomyoma is benign and leiomyosarcoma is malignant. Stratified squamous epithelium tumor, squamous cell papilloma is benign and squamous cell carcinoma is malignant. Now characteristic of benign and malignant neoplasm. First is differentiation and anaplasia. Lack of differentiation is called anaplasia. This anaplasia is considered a hallmark of malignancy. Differentiation refers to the extent to which neoplastic parenchymal cell resemble the corresponding normal parenchymal cell both morphologically and functionally. Lack of differentiation is called anaplasia. In general, benign tumors are well differentiated and malignant neoplastic that are composed of poorly differentiated cells are to be anaplastic. Well differentiated having good prognosis and poorly differentiated having poor prognosis. Pleomorphism, variation in size and shape of cell is called pleomorphism. Abnormal nuclear morphology means high NC ratio. Both are pleomorphism and high NC ratio feature of malignancy. Mitosis indicate high proliferative activity. This is the feature of few normal cells also, but in malignancy the mitosis are atypical, bizarre mitotic figures, sometimes with tripolar, quadripolar or multipolar spindles. Loss of polarity. In addition to the cytological abnormalities, the orientation of anaplastic cell is markedly disturbed. Sheets or large masses of tumor cells grow in an anarchic, disorganized fashion. This is called loss of polarity, feature of malignancy. Metaplasia and dysplasia can be feature of malignancy, but generally these are pre-malignant conditions. Local invasion. The growth of cancer is accompanied by progressive infiltration, invasion and destruction of the surrounding tissue. All benign tumors grow as cohesive expansile masses that remain localized to their site of origin and lack the capacity to infiltrate, invade or metastasize to distant sites. Metastasis. Metastasis is defined by the spread of a tumor to sites that are physically discontinuous with the primary tumor and unequally marks a tumor as malignant, as by definition benign neoplasm do not metastasize. Means locally invasion and metastasis is the feature of malignancy. Then pathway or spread dissemination of cancer may occur through one of the three pathways. First is direct seeding of body cavity or surface. Second, lymphatic spread, and third is hematogenous spread. These are three pathways. Now, seeding of body cavity and surface. Commonly, body cavity involved in malignancy is peritoneal cavity. Other cavities are pleural, pericardial, subarachnoid, and joint spaces. Lymphatic spread usually occur in carcinomas. Hematogenous spread usually occur in sarcomas. These are comparison between benign and malignant tumor. First, anaplasia, lack of differentiation is the feature of malignancy. Benign tumor usually well differentiated and malignant tumor are anaplastic. Rate of growth usually progressive and slow in benign and rapid growth in malignant. Mitotic figure usually absent in benign. A mitotic figure may be numerous in malignant. Local invasion and metastasis both are absent in benign, and malignant both are feature of malignancy. These are diagram we can show benign leiomyoma and malignant leiomyosarcoma. Leiomyoma is benign tumor of endometrium. This is small, well demarcated, slow growing, non-invasive, non-metastatic and well differentiated tumor. Another side we can see malignant gliomyosarcoma. This is large, poorly demarcated, rapidly growing with hemorrhage and necrosis, locally invasive, metastatic and poorly differentiated. This is, we can differentiate it in this diagram between benign and malignant. Okay, thank you.